Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Molly here. Today with a quick video of the Star Wars Bad Batch Havok Marauder. This is a brand new kit from AMT. Well, I should say it's relatively new. The kit itself, the mold, the tooling is brand new. And this is actually a snap together kit, but I'm going ahead and going to try to light it up. It's going to be real simple. This is one of those where it's like, okay, I need something that's semi-easy, that's going to look good when it's done. So this is what I did. So first I primed all the pieces with Tamiya gray primer. Then I painted all the colors with Tamiya TS32, which is haze gray. And just went ahead and did all the parts with that. Here you can see. And I went ahead and the wings, I masked off the wings because the rest of them are just going to spray some Tamiya flat black. So I'd isolated those areas. That's going to be pretty quick to do. And that one. And I already started putting in some of my lighting. So I got here a 3mm LED that I used this tacky tape to keep in place. And that works pretty well. It's a lot quicker than having to reach for a glue gun, and I don't want to use crazy glue. So this tacky tape works really well. So that's going to glow up the two windows that are red that already come like that. And I'm probably going to put two more 3Ds, two more 5mm LEDs in the main body. Some one pointing aft, one pointing forward for the engines and the lighting. And then they should go together pretty quick. So I will let you guys know how this is going. And when I get it fairly close to getting done, I will post a finished video. So comes with its dome stand. It's a really easy, neat kit. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. This, I mean, actually, you just take this right from the box, snap it together, and it'll look good anyway. The wings are posable, so it's a really neat kit. It's one of those where it's like a new snap kit that's easy. You can just spend a couple hours and put it together, or you can spend a little bit longer like I have and light it up and make it look real nice. All right, guys, until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe.